My name is Johnny De Sevilla, and I will teach to you about Microsoft PowerPoint on how inserting pictures and formatting pictures. First is go to the start and click PowerPoint and cut this and this. How to insert how how to insert pictures. First is go to the insert, click it and picture, click it and choose the better. Blue power, blue power, insert it. I've done to insert the pictures. When you added pictures to your presentation, you want to make them look as good as possible, and that could mean adjusting the color or the brightness and contrast, or even just adding a border. To begin a pictures, and then go to the Format tab, and I want to start grouping this picture. Click on the crop command and you'll see this black handles appear. And you'll need to make sure that the mouse is right over the black handles so that you don't accidentally grab the resizing handle. Then just click and drag. And I'm just grouping it a little bit. When you're finished, click the crop command again. Just below that is the drop down arrow. And if you go to crop to shape, you can choose what shape you want your pictures to be. I'd like the pictures to have rounded corners, so I'll go with the rounded rectangles. And here you can adjust the saturation color command. Or you can even recolor the image. I'm going to adjust the colors tone to make pictures look, let's choose pink, a little bit warmer. Thank, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless you all. I save it. Rename it. So I've done. Thank you.